Hello and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's first listen to experts about successful examples of AI implementation in their educational setting and what made it work.
A successful example of AI implementation in education is Microsoft's Reading Progress tool used in classrooms. It provided personalized real-time feedback to students practicing reading, helping them improve fluency at their own pace. What made it work was its seamless integration with Microsoft Teams, its user-friendly interface, and its ability to adapt to each student's needs. Teachers could track individual progress and adjust instruction accordingly. The AI-driven feedback helped students gain confidence, leading to improved reading scores and greater engagement in learning.
A successful AI implementation is Carnegie Learning's Machia, which personalized math instructions by adapting to student progress and providing real-time feedback. It helped improve learning outcomes by addressing individual skill gaps. Key success factors include teacher training, seamless integration into curricula, and data-driven insights that allowed educators to track student progress and adjust instructions effectively.
I used ChatGPT and Gemini to help undergrads rewrite technical reports in a simpler language. It boosted clarity and student confidence. The success came from guided use, clear expectations, and integrating AI into the writing process, not replacing it. I also incorporated prompt writing training to help students craft effective inputs and generate more accurate, relevant outputs. An essential skill in using AI, both responsibly and productively.
We have successfully implemented an AI-driven assessment generation tool designed to significantly enhance both the quality and the efficiency of creating assessments. Our solution generates different types of questions customized to suit different educational topics, whether it's a corporate soft skills training, technology-focused online courses, or K-12 mathematics. One critical factor that makes our implementation effective is our human-in-loop approach. Educators review and approve questions before they are finalized, ensuring accuracy and appropriateness. Additionally, our platform allows for the export the assessments in multiple formats, streamlining the entire process.
One recent successful implementation that we were part of created a personalized skill development platform for a multinational company's global workforce. The challenge: varied knowledge levels and learning preferences across thousands of employees across 7 countries. We implemented a multimodal AI system with 3 key components. First, an adaptive assessment engine creating personalized skills baseline. 2, a generative AI content curator assembling customized learning pathways. And 3, an intelligent practice engine providing role-specific scenarios.
Next, let's hear experts discuss their main challenges and how they overcame them while implementing AI.
Implementing AI in education faces challenges like teacher adaptation, AI accuracy, content bias, and privacy concerns. For example, institutions using AI grading tools had to address fairness and transparency. Solutions included teacher training, clear AI usage policies, and AI literacy programs for students. Ensuring human oversight and continuous model improvements help balance AI's potential and responsible usage, leading to successful adoption.
One challenge was ensuring that AI tools were accepted by educators, who were initially hesitant about technology. Overcoming this involved providing proper training and clear communication about the benefits of AI. We also encountered issues with data privacy, which required ensuring that all AI tools were compliant with local regulations. This was addressed by working closely with IT departments to implement secure data practices and selecting privacy-conscious AI solutions.
Our AI implementation journey faced 2 major challenges. First was skepticism from instructional designers who feared being replaced. We addressed this by repositioning AI as an expertise amplifier, demonstrating how it handled routine content while elevating experts to focus on higher value contributions. We conducted workshops where human plus AI collaboration produced visibly superior results. The second challenge was technical integration across countries with varying data regulations. We developed a middleware approach using API connectors with configurable privacy controls that adapted to different regulatory environments.
Unfortunately, initial student misuse of AI prompted me to create usage guidelines and design assignments requiring reflection on AI's role. Educating students about AI's limits turned the challenge into an extremely teachable moment. I also introduced collaborative peer review sessions where students compared AI-generated drafts with their own writing to better understand tone, originality, and critical thinking, thereby reinforcing the importance of their authentic voice in their academic work.
I believe the two main challenges that we faced were ensuring that the AI tool strictly adhere to the provided educational content without adding inaccurate or unrelated information, and second, protecting customer proprietary content to prevent any potential misuse. To address the first challenge, we experimented and trained several AI models extensively, evaluating which performed best, aligning with the supply and course content. Regarding the second challenge, we decided to deploy open source AI models on our own secure infrastructure. This allows us to maintain complete control over data security